getting hot, it's the summer, but I still have to have my caffeine fix, and that's where this comes in. And this little container I picked up has been an absolute lifesaver. This here is not just a container for cold brew coffee, it's actually a brewer as well. It's a complete game changer. So there's a couple ways that you can use this. First is, like me, if you make a lot of hot coffee, if you make it really strong, you can actually save some of your leftover coffee in this, pop it in the fridge, let it cool down, and you're good to go. Or even better, this is actually designed as a brewer. If you want to grind your coffee to be extra fine, built inside of this is this filter, which allows you to obviously grind your coffee to whatever you want and stick the coffee grounds inside of this this filter here. You see this is a fine mesh filter basket to cap it off nice and tight, to simply slip it in this and then seal it down, and all you got to do is throw it in your fridge, let it steep and do its thing. Oh, sorry, you got to pour hot water into this. It's best if you pour hot water from a kettle into this, but once you do that, after you've put the filter grounds in, or the coffee grounds in here, a built-in filter, once you stick this in the refrigerator, does wonders. And then actually, one of the best parts is you can actually just leave the coffee grounds in here and still use this inside of your fridge as you drink some of the iced coffee away. Overall, great container. It can be stored on its side if you want. It doesn't leak or anything like that. It is BPA-free, clips on nice and tight, just has 2 clips here. This whole setup can be taken apart and everything, but the filter can be used in the dishwasher. The top's a pretty ingenious design. You simply open it 180 degrees, and now you've got pourable, nice and pourable. This is still hot, needs a little more time in the fridge. Or if you go ahead and open this up a little bit further, and there is resistance there, so you know when to stop just for pouring, then you can take your coffee grounds out of here and then rinse out this filter, throw it away, and store the filter back in there. Overall, couldn't be happier with this. Love the thin design, love that I can lay it on my side, can fit in the door of my refrigerator or on a shelf, standing upright or laying down. It all works. Overall, if you want to start making some coffee at home, or some cold brew coffee at home, check this out. I think you're gonna love it. It is awesome.